On the morning of May 21, 2024, a 36-year-old man broke into a factory located at Tampines North Drive 4. The burglary occurred around 9 a.m., and police were notified shortly after. While the value of stolen items remains unclear, the man went on to commit another break-in later that day in the late afternoon. He broke into a school along Tampines Avenue 1 at 5:45 p.m. Although the amount of cash stolen is unknown, reports indicate 2 shirts and a bag worth $70 were taken. Police swiftly connected the 2 incidents to the same suspect based on their preliminary investigation. The suspect was apprehended within an hour of the second report. He was charged in court on May 23, 2024, for the offense of housebreaking with intent to commit theft. If convicted, he faces a potential sentence of up to 10 years in jail and a fine. Secure all access points by ensuring all doors, windows, roller shutters, and other openings are properly locked when leaving your premises. Consider replacing existing grills with better quality options for added protection. Avoid keeping large sums of cash and valuables in your premises. Deposit your daily earnings regularly. Installing burglar alarms, motion sensor lights, and CCTV cameras can deter potential break-ins. By implementing these measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a target for burglary.